Nighttime Potty by Sofia Angel. We went to the playground under the bright sun, running around. Our fun had just begun. We shared a picnic with sandwiches and pie, eating together, watching the clouds pass by. Looked through a microscope, our world so small, learning new things, amazed by it all. Mom gave me a bath with bubbles so high. The night sky darkened, stars began to fly. Together, Poppy and I brushed her teeth with care. Bubbles in the sink, giggles in the air. Ready for bed, one last potty break. Under the moonlight, no mistakes we make. Mom whispered softly, remember what to do. Her voice like a song, guiding me through. Dad tucked me in, snug and tight, his gentle kiss wishing me good night. Remember, Randy, if you need to pee, a reminder so sweet, just for me. We wake in the night, and I call out loud, Daddy, time to go, feeling so proud. Out of bed, with Poppy by my side, in the quiet night, we take our stride. To the potty we go, quick and with haste, through the hallway, no time to waste. Down go my pajamas, with a swift move, a nightly routine I've come to approve. On the potty, I sit and wait, learning patience. Isn't it great? I sit, I relax, then let out the pee, doing it myself, feeling so free. PJ's back on in the nightlight's glow, comforted by the soft light's show. We wash hands with water and soap. Scrubbing well, it's easy to cope. Dry them with a towel, clean and pure. Ready for bed, feeling sure. Back to bed, under the stars so bright, in the quiet, peaceful night. Sleep tight, recall the night's tummy call, echoes afar. A reminder, like a gentle guitar. As I drift to sleep, my Poppy snores, both dreaming sweetly behind closed doors.